Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we're looking at this problem from courseHero.com. So the question goes thus: so which is the quotient and the remainder written as partial fraction of the given fraction? So what we ask to find is I ask to find the quotient and the remainder of this fraction. Then we are going to be expressing the remainder r of x in terms of partial fraction. Then we add it up, so that will give us our final answer. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into action. So the first step we'll be taking is to perform our polynomial division operation. So we're going to be performing this long division operation, that is, we're going to be dividing the numerator by the denominator, x squared plus this divided by x squared minus 5x plus 6. So let's perform this polynomial operation. So we are going to be, or to perform this operation, we'll take the denominator, we'll place it outside of this operator diagram. Then we are going to place the numerator inside of this operator diagram. So that will be x squared plus 8. So now the first step now in this process, all we need is just the first term of each. We need just the first term of the numerator and the first term of the denominator. So that will be x squared divided by x squared, which is 1. So this one is my quotient, so I'll be placing that at the top of this operator. So that is 1 placed at the top there. So now the next process is to multiply this quotient, this one I'm going to multiply it with the divisor. So that will give us what we are going to place inside this operator next. So that will be 1 times x squared minus 5x plus 6. So that is identical, so it will give us the same thing back. So that will be x squared minus 5x plus 6. So the next thing is to eliminate x squared, eliminate the first term of each. So I'm going to introduce minus, then I'm going to subtract. So in this process now, x squared minus x squared, so the x squared is eliminated. Then we have 0 minus 5x. As we know, there is no x term in the numerator, so I assume it's 0. Then 0 minus 5x, that will give us plus 5x, and 8 minus 6 will give us 2. So that is it. So the next step naturally will be to divide the first term again, that is 5x, to divide it by x squared. But as we can see, if we try that 5x over x squared is not going to be giving us a whole number. It's going to give us fraction, which is not what I want. So I want it to divide it completely. So as you can see, that is not possible. So 5x minus 2 is our remainder. So we have gotten our remainder and we have gotten our 1. So our 1 is our quotient, and then 5x minus 2 is our remainder. So now the next step is to express this complete fraction. Let's express it in terms of quotient and this remainder, so we know what we are doing. So that's going to be x squared plus 8 all over x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equal to the quotient plus the remainder all over the divisor. So, and from our long division process, our quotient is 1 and our remainder is 5x minus 2. So now the next step is to take this remainder now, 5x minus 2 all over x squared minus 5x, is to perform partial fraction to it. So that will give us to step 2. Step 2 is to split the remainder into partial fraction. Then, so to do this now, to split this remainder into partial fraction, the first and easy step is to take the denominator and factor it. As you can see, the denominator is x squared minus 5x plus 6. So we need to factor the denominator, and then we split using a and b in our common partial fraction approach. So that will be, when we factorize x squared minus 5x plus 6, that will give us x minus 2 times x minus 3. So then now, using our partial fraction split a and b, so that will give us 5x plus 2 over x minus 2 times x minus 3 is equals to a over x minus 2 plus b over x minus 3. So that will give us to step 3. Step 3 is to solve for a and b. Then we have home and dry. So to solve for a and b now, first thing is to let's try to eliminate the denominator of this fraction. So we'll do that by multiplying both sides by x minus 2 times x minus 3 to clear the denominator. So as you can see during that process now, x minus 2 times x minus 3 times 5x plus 2 over x minus 2 times x minus 3. So this gets eliminated. So that will give us 5x plus 2 is equals to a into bracket x minus 3 plus bx minus 2. So now let's find our a and b. So to get a now, we need to eliminate b. To get a, we need to eliminate b. So how do we eliminate b? We eliminate b by setting the coefficient of b to 0. So that's how we do it. So that will be x minus 2 is equals to 0, then x is 2. Then anywhere we see x, we are going to insert 2 into the equation. So that will give us our a now to be minus 12. So the same thing I'm going to apply to get b. So I'm going to eliminate a to get b. So same process. We set the coefficient of a to 0. Then we are going to x minus 3 is equals to 0. Then x is equals to 3. Anywhere you see x, we insert 3. So that will give us b is equals to 17. B is equals to 17. Good. Now we have gotten our a and b. Now let's rewrite the partial fraction. So we have 5x minus 2 over x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 17 over x minus 3 minus 12x minus 2. You know, from our partial fraction splits of a and b, a was the first term, so I just try to rearrange because our a is negative here, so our a is minus 12, so I just try to rearrange so that the positive can start first. So it's just rearrangement, nothing else. So this is our partial fraction, this is our remainder in partial fraction. So the next step and the final step is to combine this together, to combine the quotient and this partial fraction to give us our full answer to the fraction itself. So that will be hence on the x squared plus 8 all over x squared minus 5x plus 6 is going to be 1 plus 17 over x minus 3 minus 12 over x minus 2. So now if you check that from our option, from the option given the question, we see that that falls under option 2. So option C is our final and correct answer, which is 1 plus 17 over x minus 3 minus 12 over x minus 2. So this brings us to the end of today's lecture. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.